Hi, Trutz from AMALYTIX here. Amazon recently introduced a new field called item highlights. And they are also asking each seller and vendor to shorten their existing product titles to 75 characters. And to make this transition as easy as possible for you, we updated AMALYTIX. Let me show you what we did. I'm here on the content detail page for a given product, and we introduced a new field here called item highlights in our snapshots fields. Snapshots is the way the content should be. So you can now fill this. But of course, you don't want to do this manually. This is why we added a new prompt for you. You just click here on Optimize Snapshot, and here we have a new prompt called item highlights. And this prompt is only optimizing your existing title, and the perps still missing item highlights. Let me show you how this works. I will quickly click here on Optimize with AI. Wait a second. And now I can see my shortened title here with a shorter length and my item highlights here. And if I'm not happy, I just click on Regenerate Result, and I can do this as often as possible. And now I can see a little bit longer item highlights. If I'm happy, I just click on Update Snapshot. Now I have my updated snapshot here. So here you can see my shortened title here and my item highlights. And if I want to transfer this now to Amazon, this is just another click. I click here and now I can transfer it. We still have disabled item highlights for now because Amazon's API does not support it yet. But if you're watching this video at a later stage, please check in again. It might be working already. So I'm not doing this here right now, but let me go back on the overview page because you can't only do this on a by product level. You can also select all products here. Just click here, click on Optimize Snapshots, select the right prompt, and then off you go. And then you can do this on a mass or a larger scale. And of course, you can then transfer those snapshots via bulk mode as well. We also added a new batch here, which is called item highlights. And if it's filled, we show you that it's there, or if it differs from your snapshot, it works as our other fields here. And of course, we have added more filters here. Just go to the advanced tab, scroll down to the content tab, and here you can see item highlights where you can search for specific terms, or you can check which of my products do have item highlights and which don't have any item highlights. And if you want to see a more broader scale here on the statistics tabs, we also added it here. You can see how many of your products have it and how is the length distribution. What else is interesting to know? You can of course go into the settings tab here. And if you go to products, you probably also already know our upload snapshots feature. And of course, this has been updated as well. So if you download an existing snapshot list, you will see this field is now available here for download and for uploading. So if you have already optimized it and just need a proper way to update your listing in bulk, this is the way to go. Of course, we also have updated our LQE setting. LQE stands for Listing Quality Index. This is our custom scoring model, how you can evaluate your products. We added item highlights here as well. You can now add a minimum length and a maximum length. I think this is the default value which we took from Amazon. And then you can give products here so you can adjust your custom scoring model as well. I can also click here now on agents, and the prompt you just saw is of course customizable, and I would highly recommend that you customize this prompt according to your needs. So you see it here. This is the one-click item highlights prompt. You can't edit this default prompt directly. You need to duplicate it first, and then you can make as many copies as you like for each product category, for example, and then you can adjust all the AI rules here, and I would highly recommend you adjust this to your personal needs. Of course, we also updated our alerts. We updated one existing alert and we introduced one new alert. The new alert is of course about item highlight changes, and the existing alert is our snapshot alert. This also includes now the item highlights field. So if you have saved your snapshot and the snapshot differs from the live version, you would get this alert as well. So I think this is mainly it. Last point probably is, of course, that we updated our report section, be it here in this page, or if you go to any other page, example here on the content page, if you click on the lower right here, you will also be able to see these fields in all your downloads. Let me check my checklist, but I think this is basically it. yeah, I hope you will like it. I hope it saves you lots of time. I would be more than happy to get your feedback on it. And I wish you a smooth transition for updating all your listings. See you in the next video. Bye bye.